Is Zimbabwe on the BRICS money that has been released? Just to put you into context, there is a BRICS summit that is going on, and the Russian president, Vladimir Putin, has been seen waving the mock currency of the BRICS. Now, what is BRICS, you ask? BRICS is the member states that consist of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Now, if you look at these blocks of these members and the countries that have joined in, now they now consist of 40% of the world population, and the GDP of these countries is almost 43% of the world GDP. Now, this means, if you can see at this map, you see that there are more countries that are interested in joining. What does this mean for the West? I was watching one of the videos that was on CNBC, and they were expressing that this is a threat to the Americans or to the West, because now they are going to be, what are the possibilities? The possibilities are that they might decide to start to trade oil using the BRICS currency. And what does this mean to the petrodollar? They might decide to do away with the US dollar. And these countries that have got so much oil are the ones that are much interested in joining BRICS. And the ones that have joined include the likes of Saudi Arabia, and the likes of Iran, and the likes of Egypt. All these countries, they have joined in the BRICS. Now, I'm still ascertaining whether this currency is written Zimbabwe, because Zimbabwe has been invited, but they are not yet member of BRICS yet. So it would defy all logic that before they are members, they are now part of the currency. But I saw other Varakashi saying that no, Zimbabwe is now part of the BRICS, so that we are going to do away with the ZIG. ZIG and the US dollars. Let's not get ahead of ourselves right now. We are still yet to see the impact of the BRICS, and what is the West going to do in order to destabilize the members or the founding members of the BRICS, so that this threat might not continue to go on. Because if this goes on and many countries join in, what does this mean for the West that are in Africa? And the battle for resources, what are we going to see? Are we going to see world war? Or are we going to see another Cold War happening in our lifetime? You tell me what you think. If you're an expert in this area, I would love to hear your thoughts about the issue of the BRICS currency, and is Zimbabwe part of that? That is also the question. And what is your interest, and what does this mean to all of us Zimbabweans if we are part of the BRICS?